mount the gearbox, drop the fan on top of the shaft. I got two new pulleys, well not pulleys, couplers here that I'm gonna use. Because the other one we had to cut it out. It wouldn't come out for nothing. It's been there for 15 years. And that's about it. Look at that big ginormous motor up there. Because we have a new one. Because the old one we had to kind of butcher it to get it out on the old gearbox. So we're gonna take this off and put the new one on. Got me puller here. We're gonna use the OTC puller. A little bit of some of this good stuff, and there we will go. Right. Woo! Okay. Keep banging. Let me flip it around. Wait. Oh, I can't flip it around. Nice. Very nice. Go ahead. Get ready to catch it. Say when. Hold up. Catch it like I caught the mallet? Yeah, like you caught the mallet. Oh, Jesus.
He's almost there.
That rust penetrant is a good one. About 2 years ago I took this off.
Oh, it's like sliding off.
Alright, good. Should come off now, huh? That's it. I'm not even on it.
Yeah, I know.
Now, hold up. There you go. Woo. So, yeah, man. So we'll set up. We'll take you to the next part of it. I already took this sucker off one time. Twice. This stuff is good, man. I like it. Oops. Look how nice this stuff works, huh? I like it that shit. I need to get off of the sand. I need to get this corner right here so it slides in easy. Right here, this is, you see all those...
Yeah. You want me to go get a rag and the coupling?
Yeah, get the rag and the coupling, yeah. Get the keyway too. So yo, get the never sees. Alright guys, we got that on. We got this side on. We're gonna flip it around. We throw a little never sees on this sucker right here so that it doesn't bound up. It protects from the moisture and rust and all that stuff. So you don't want to get this in your hands. Just be careful. Okay, strung out. Let's move this closer to me. Push it to me. Watch out, be careful, don't let it fall off. So come, sucker. Okay, hold up. Let me lift this corner now. 1 second. Hold up. Okay. flip it around. Alright, flip the back that way. Back. Make sure it doesn't fall in the groove. Should I get the pry bar? I gotta loosen it up a little. Okay, flip it. Watch your head. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna loosen it up. Okay, wait. Okay, don't let that fall in there. Alright, yeah, we good. Alright, let me take this off.
You need me to lift it or anything?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we got it lined up. We're gonna get the shims. You can see right there. If you have your credit card on you. There goes the final, guys. Got the new coupler on. We got the propeller on. We're not gonna start it today. I gotta put the oil in. So a little beat up there. But everything is nice and smooth. It's a heck of a job. But somebody's gotta do it. Unfortunately, it's me today. And my helper, of course. So we got some never sees on that so it doesn't get old. You know what I'm saying? But you know, that's it. That's about it, guys. But I appreciate you guys all watching all the parts. Greatly appreciation. But that's it. Nicely balanced. See right there? Exactly. Shimmy down, shimmy down, shimmy down. And that's it, guys. Alright, time to get that out of here, boy. It's gonna come back and put this onto that. Get a little nipple. Here, hold that. Put that with a chain fall.